let's check in with KTK's meteorologist, Andrew Samet. Andrew, how high are those temperatures going to get today? Do I have any hope?
No, we're only unfortunately going to warm up a few more degrees from here. And that's thanks to the cloud cover and thanks to that north wind that's going to keep things pretty chilly. Here's a look at Longview with our Skyview camera brought to you by the Monsoor Law Firm. And the only reason why I'm showing Longview so many times instead of switching it up with Tyler right now is because you can't see anything in Tyler because our camera lens is frozen over. You can see that starting to develop in Longview here, but look closely. Of course, you can see the white ground out there. There's snow in that parking lot. There's snow on the street there that you see. There's probably snow on top of the buildings as well, but it's a cold one out there. Temperatures are only sitting out in the upper teens to low 20s. Longview is actually one of the warmer spots, quote unquote, this morning, 21 degrees the temperature, but the winds are at 8 miles per hour, and that is making things feel colder than it actually is. Of course, we are below freezing right now, and we'll probably stay that way for deep East Texas until 10 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. For areas like Tyler, Jacksonville, and Henderson, it's until 11 a.m. Wednesday, and then for places like Gilmer, Mineola, up to Sulphur Springs and Mount Pleasant, it's around noon on Wednesday. We'll see the temperatures finally rise above freezing. There's a small chance in deep East Texas that we do see temperatures rise just above the freezing mark tomorrow afternoon, but don't hold your breath for that one. It's unlikely, but it's still at least a possibility. Elsewhere, unfortunately, there is no chance of us getting above freezing. Wind chill temperatures right now, again, this is what it really feels like when the wind blows. It feels like it's 3 degrees in Tyler. Remember, the temperature was 21 in Longview, but it feels like 11. Sulphur Springs is by far the coldest spot. It feels like -1 degree there, so make sure that you are wearing as many layers as possible. But again, that -1, there's just one spot below zero this morning, but tomorrow morning, especially before the sun rises, wind to chill temperatures are going to drop down to about -5 to 5 degrees for our start time on Tuesday. So it's going to be really cold Tuesday morning. Again, make sure you're wearing as many layers as you comfortably can, and of course, if you have to work outdoors, say Tuesday morning, you definitely want to keep those tips in mind, similar to when we have extreme heat. When we have extreme heat, you need to stay hydrated. Well, same deal with extreme cold as well. It's important to stay hydrated, and it's important to take frequent breaks. Of course, when you're in the cold, you need to take those breaks in a warm room frequently, so that way you can warm up before heading back out. But taking a look at what Futurecast has going forward, we're going to see those showers gradually coming to an end here into deep East Texas by 2 p.m. There's just going to be a few lingering snow, sleet showers out there in parts of Angelina, San Augustine, and Sabine County. Futurecast is kind of hopeful in the cloud cover decreasing, but we're probably going to see mostly cloudy skies through the night. And as long as there's some cloud cover, can't rule out some light flurries through the overnight hours as temperatures drop down to the low to mid 10s. But again, wind chills will drop down into the well into the single digits, and in fact below zero in a couple of spots. We're going to only warm to the upper 20s and low 30s for your Tuesday afternoon, even with sunshine, but the sun should help melt some driveways, some roads as well. Look for refreezing again Wednesday morning, 5 a.m. Wednesday temperatures are in the middle and upper teens, and then Wednesday afternoon is when we finally climb above freezing. And then we'll likely see another freeze Wednesday night, but at that point, everything should have melted away by then. For today, again, the wintry mix is ending from the northwest to the southeast. High temperatures only making it into the mid-20s, and some of us will be lucky to even get out of the low 20s out there, so it's going to be really cold. But once the precipitation leaves, the clouds do thin out a bit, so we'll get a little bit more solar radiation, and that should allow for temperatures to warm up, certainly more so than what they did yesterday, but definitely not feeling warm by any stretch of the imagination. For tonight, mostly cloudy skies, and the north wind brings the temperatures down to about 14 degrees, but again, factor in that wind and it will feel like between -5 and 5 degrees. So definitely some of the coldest air that we've seen in quite some time here. We are going to slowly warm things up here over the next couple of days. Highs back into the upper 50s by Thursday, so that will feel like a heat wave, even though that's average for this time of the year. Get outside and enjoy it because we'll see another cool down heading into the weekend. For deep East Texas, it is more of the same. Look for those temperatures to stay mainly below freezing for Tuesday. Again, Tuesday afternoon, we'll get pretty close, but probably not there, and then we'll climb into the upper 40s Wednesday afternoon.